10 o'clock. Now it's 2 o'clock.
I know.
So, yeah.
We're a bit later than what we'd planned, but we're still going to have a bit of time swimming. Alright, we're still going to have some time for swimming.
3 hours.
They're the ones we're in.
Them ones.
The ground floor one up there. It's the first one that we've got.
Okay, so. Sad news, guys.
What?
Very sad news. Look in front of you.
No.
Look what's disappeared. It's disappeared. Oh, that's like our tradition. Where's it gone?
Welcome back to the stage, the mighty Orangutan! Starting off with a little telling. They're going for bouncing down. There's 2. Have you got one more? There's 3. Oh, he's still going. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for that. So you might have noticed at the right hand side at the front of the venue, we do have some exclusive Animal Guys merchandise. And so it begins. Welcome to the Animals of Africa. Beginning with the largest land animal walking the planet today, the mighty elephant. And now, from the biggest land animal on earth to the tallest, the giraffe. And last, but by no means least, we have the incredible rhino.
Now the rhino legend is thousands of years old. First appearing in a poem written as early as 2000 BC.
BC, the good old times before children.
Not what it means.
Yes, it is.
They would have no choice in this transformation taking place and wouldn't even recognise their best mate walking down the street.
That thing up there doesn't have friends.
They've got loads of mates, actually. They've also featured in their fair share of films, including Twilight,
Yes.
Harry Potter,
Yeah.
The Wolfman, and of course, the Teen Wolf.
Teen Wolf, that's where we recognise the jacket.
There's Michael J. Fox up there.
We've got Michael J. Fox and Butlins. I love Michael. We don't have him, Michael. Can you listen? As long as that little chap was, we can't do it. Why? You know why? Why? Look at yourself, man. We're at Butlins. Yeah? These are posh people. Where are they? I have no idea. They're probably sat at the back, but you are definitely not. Listen, if that's phrase, that'll reach half the room. No way. Yeah, if a skunk goes on human skin, you can't get the smell off for 6 months. 6 months? I know. It smells like every child in here's been sprayed by one already. Oh. Listen, take that to the car. Yeah. I'll deal with it after. All right, then. Next time, have a look think about how you do. Guys, he's doing it! In fact, we share quite a close bond with them, and that is because they share up to 98% of our DNA. They are the largest tree-dwelling animal on planet Earth, and just like us, when they get tired, they'll send themselves to bed. They'll make a nest just like a bird. They are super intelligent. They can make and use tools. They can eat using their hands and their feet, which is just like me, because I eat the skin around my big toe. Now these things are going to be extinct and gone from the wild forever in just the next 10 years, all because of the way we live. Can you imagine these amazing animals disappearing in our lifetime? Well, it's going to happen unless we do something about it. Something we can do right now is every time we go shopping, look at the label, look for the word palm oil. If it says the word sustainable, it doesn't fix everything. But I promise you, it's a really good start. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for my friend, the orangutan. Woo!
Mate, can you take me to watch that film?
What film?
How to Train a Dragon.
No, pack it in, mate. Stay calm. I don't need to freak the kids out. Oh, mate, you're smoking.
Yeah.
No, they really like that movie on fire.
Yeah, right.
Pack it in. You're literally on fire. Put that away.
What, this thing?
That's disgusting.
Look at that.
How cold
Look
are you?
at that.
Mate, in the back there, there's a fire extinguisher. Okay, hold the pin, read the label.
Alright, Stu, get me a fire extinguisher!
Tell me your favourite animal. I bet my nose isn't painted, is it? No, we should not do that for the Hello, everybody. Well, you're like an alien just watching us. So, looking forward to the holiday? So you thought you'd come to an animal show with your own Crocs? What?
I like it. Very good.
Are you ready? Stand there. Look cool. That's why you stood there.
He's bragging. Cody's bragging. Let's see who wins. Casey's doing well. She hasn't hit anything yet. Cody hasn't hit anything yet. If this was me, I'd be in the wall. Cody's in front at the minute. Neck and neck, I think. Oh, who's in front? Cody's just in front of Casey. Oh, he's going to get it. She overtook him. She might have overtook him. I think she's in front of him. She's doing tricks. She is. Yeah, she's definitely overtook him. Yeah. Where are we at? How many laps are there, Claire? I tried to be a commentator here. I know, yeah, I know Casey's in front of Cody. Who won? Oh my goodness, that was nice. Cody just won. Well done.
Cody, you gotta hit the clouds. Get the bottom ones, Cody. Cody, they're gonna get nothing.
Oh God, I'm all downstairs. Oh, so high up. Is that the kitchen? Where are the lights? It's actually quite nice. Ah, it's kind of cute. And there we are. Weird mirror. Oh, that's kind of cute. Look at that. It's quite nice actually. That's really nice actually. There's TV. It's nice. Mirror. I love the little table. Toaster. Fridge, freezer. I love it. Little hooks for your coat, which I think is a nice little idea. Let's see what there's in here. Oh,
Guess what? Look.
Oh, look.
Look. Katie,
Oh, that's nice. Who chose that one?
Every night because you.
It's high up. You're going to swap beds.
I don't want to be on
And you got more room actually, space in your wardrobe, which is nice.
Show in the
Oh,
comments.
you got a drawer as well.
I'm gonna go.
It's really pretty. So, there we are. We've got a nice long mirror here. You can see what it look like. Full length mirror, I should say. There's the bathroom, like a nice little star there. We've got towels. They say we have towels in Fairground, that's nice. Bonus. Just, then we've got a shower. There we go. Our bedroom. Oh, look at the pictures. Nice wardrobe each side, light each side, which is nice. Let's do there. And it seems like we've got a lot more space. Got a TV in the room. A lot more space to put clothes, which I actually like because we don't seem to get enough space. So yeah, I love it. Very good.